Mahatma Gandhi, the man who led with peace. A long time ago, on 2nd October 1869, in a small coastal town called Porbandar in Gujarat, India, a boy named Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born. Little did anyone know that this quiet, thoughtful child would grow up to change the course of history. His father, Karamchand Gandhi, was the chief minister of Porbandar, and his mother, Putlibai, was a deeply religious and kind-hearted woman. From her, young Mohandas learned about honesty, humility, and compassion. As a child, Gandhi was shy and reserved, but he was curious about the world around him. He loved listening to stories about truth and righteousness from his mother. After finishing school in India, he traveled to London in 1888 to study law. It was a big change for the young man from a small town, but he embraced the challenge and became a qualified barrister. After completing his studies, Gandhi returned to India, but his career as a lawyer didn't take off as he had hoped. In 1893, he got an offer to work in South Africa for a year. Little did he know that this journey would transform his life forever. In South Africa, Gandhi faced severe discrimination because of his skin color and Indian identity. One night, while traveling on a train, he was thrown out of a first-class compartment despite having a valid ticket, just because he was not white. This incident stirred something deep inside him. He realized that discrimination and injustice were not just personal problems, they were social evils that needed to be fought. Gandhi decided to stay in South Africa for more than 2 decades, leading non-violent protests against racial discrimination. His methods were simple yet powerful: truth, satya, and non-violence, ahimsa. He inspired thousands to join his cause and stood firm in his belief that peaceful resistance could bring change. In 1915, Gandhi returned to India as a changed man. Now known as Mahatma Gandhi, meaning great soul, he began leading the struggle for India's independence from British rule. One of his most iconic movements was the Dandi Salt March in 1930. To protest the British monopoly on salt, Gandhi walked 240 miles to the Arabian Sea and made salt from seawater, breaking the law. Thousands followed him, and the world watched in awe as his peaceful defiance shook the mighty British Empire. Gandhi became the heart and soul of India's freedom movement. He encouraged people to boycott British goods, wear homespun khadi, and promote self-reliance. His philosophy of non-violence inspired not just Indians but people around the world. After years of struggle, India finally gained independence on 15 August 1947. However, Gandhi's heart was heavy with sadness due to the violence and partition between India and Pakistan. On 30th January 1948, while on his way to a prayer meeting, Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse. His death left the entire nation in mourning, but his teachings lived on.